Hello student, welcome to online class. I'm happy to see all you again. I hope you all are safe. Now in the screen what you're seeing, that is the cover page of your general knowledge book. You have to go through this book, that is New General Knowledge Today 6 by S.K. Gupta, Anubudhi Gangal. So today we are going to discuss general knowledge topic first, world of animals and plants, and subtopic gender, babies and groups of animals. Now in page number 5 to 11 you can see the some of the animals picture and birds pictures clear, and also it is given that gender, that means how you will call the male animal, how you will call the female animal, and how you will call the baby of animal, and how you will call the groups of animal. So you can go through from page number 5 to 11. Now in page number 12 and 13 the animal quiz is there, that we are going to discuss. Now in this there are 30 questions are there, so that we are going to discuss now. The first one is, what is the young of a rabbit called? Now the answer is a kit. Now you can also say a kitten, a bunny, but out of the three any one you can write, that is a kit. Now the second question is, what is the middle part of an insect's body called? The middle part of the insect, what you will call? That is, the answer is thorax. Now the third question is, what do you call the long winter sleep taken by some animals? Now some animals will sleep longer during winter season. Clear? So what you will call that? That is hibernation. So hibernation is the word you will call for the animals which sleep for a long in winter season. Now the next one is, what is the collective noun for a group of badgers? Badgers is one type of animal. Now what you will say if group of badgers are there in one place? So that is, the answer is sheet. A sheet. The fifth one, which land animal has the longest tail? So the animal which live on the land, so which animal they have a longest tail? That is, the answer is the Asian elephant. What precious stones are found in oyster shells? The answer is pearls. Which is the only non-human creature to suffer with sunburn? Now we all know human beings can suffer from sunburn during the high temperature, but non-human creature, that is, the answer is the pig. The next one, what animal lives in a tree? The answer is the squirrel. Now trees are built of sticks and moss in trees. Next question is, what common disability do these birds have? Now the pictures of your birds is given in your textbook, page number 12, questionnaire question number 9. 4 birds pictures is given. Now you have to find out the common disability clear of all the 4 birds. Now all the 4 birds cannot fly. So we will write the answer, none of them can fly. The next 10th one is, which continent is home to 9 of the world's 10 most venomous snakes. Venomous snakes means poisonous snakes. There are total of 10 poisonous types of poisonous snakes are there in the world. Out of that, 9 poisonous snakes are there in one continent. So we have to find out on which continent. That is the Australia. Clear? Australia. The 9 dangerous type of snakes are there. Next one, this is a shadow picture of a bird found in America. What is the bird called? Now shadow you can see in the textbook, question number 11. Near that you can see the shadow of the bird. Now you have to find out which bird. Now the answer is the toucan. The toucan. Toucan is the bird shadow. Picture is there in your textbook. How many noses do ants have? 5. Now the next one. What group of animals found in the Scandinavian regions as well as Lapland? Now these are the two places. In that place there is a group of animals. It will overpopulate its kind and then they march towards the sea to commit suicide. So which animal? That is, the answer is lemming from mouse family. What is the answer? Lemming from mouse family. Now the next one is, what word describes the animals which are active at night only? So what you will describe the animals which are active only at the night? Clear? The answer is nocturnal. The answer is nocturnal. Next one of these animals does not belong to this group. Which is that? So here also, near question number 15 in page number 12, there are 4 pictures are given. In that, one is odd man out. You have to find out which one is that. Now the answer is whale. Why? Because it is a mammal, not a fish. The remaining 2 are fish, but whale is not a fish. Name the only ape of India. The answer is hallock or white-browned gibbon. Hallock or white-browned gibbon. Now the next one. Snakes are both oviparous and viviparous. What does this signify? So you have to write down what is the meaning of oviparous and what is the meaning of viviparous. Oviparous means the snakes which lays eggs and reproduce its young one. Viviparous means the snakes which directly give birth to the young one. So we have to write that. So answer is oviparous snakes reproduce by laying eggs. Viviparous snakes give birth to fully developed young ones. The next one, does the polar bear live in the Arctic or Antarctic region? The answer is the Arctic region. When and where was the first foal domesticated? The next question is what? When and where was the first foal domesticated? That is in India. So India in 2000 BC. BC means what? Before Christ. Now the next question, that is 20. If you know how the cries of animals, how the animals will make the sound, that is the cries of animals, and birds are described, then fill in the following blanks. Now the first one is dash bray. Which animal will bray? That is asses. Asses will bray. The second one, cows low. Third one, geese cackle. Geese cackle. Now, question number 21. When an elephant is killed, what does its friends do? Now, the answer is place twigs on it and mourn. Twigs mean small stems. So when an elephant is killed, what the elephant will do, that is, it will place the small stems above the elephant's body, and the elephant will feel sadness, that is on it, and mourn means they will feel sadness. Next, what do dogs do to cool down instead of sweating? The answer is pant. Now pant means what? They will take a short breath to cool down for sweating. Instead of sweating, what they will do? They will take a short breath. Clear? That is called what? Pant. Next one. How does a mother cat pick up a kitten? By its neck. The answer is by its neck. Now the next is, what breed of dog was Laika, the first dog in space? So the name of the dog is Husky. Husky is the dog. First dog in space. Now question number 25. Which of these animals can go longest without water? So here options are given. So the right option is a kangaroo rat. A kangaroo rat. Question number 26. Which animal can live over a week with its head chopped off? Now here also options are given. You have to find out the correct option. That is a cockroach. And the next one is, complete the phrase. As blind as a dash. That is given. So as blind as a bat. That is the correct answer. And the next one is, name the largest seabird that uses its wings for swimming. So the bird which uses its wings, seabird that uses its wings for swimming, it is the emperor penguin of Antarctica. Emperor penguin of Antarctica. Now question number 29. What is the common emblem of Spain, Germany, Albania, Australia and USA? The answer is eagle. So common emblem for all these 5 country, that is what? Eagle. Now the last one is, tell whether each of these animals is a mammal, a bird, a reptile, an amphibian, a fish. So here 10 animals names are given. You have to find out it is of which type. It is a mammal or a bird or a reptile or an amphibian or a fish. So let us see the first animal. Armadillo. Armadillo, it is of which type? So the answer is a mammal. The second one, laughing jackass. It is a type of a bird. And the third one is carp. It is a type of a fish. And the fourth one is toad. It is a type of an amphibian. Sloth. It is a type of a mammal. Python. It is a type of a reptile. Newt. It is a type of an amphibian. Eighth one is tortoise. It is a type of a reptile. Vulture. It is a type of a bird. 10th one is salmon. It is a fish. So, students, from this we have finished the animal quiz. That is question number 1 to 30. So, thank you to all. Be safe and take care.